Next, we'll look at the Quick Access Toolbar, which is just to the right of that. So that's that section up here. So just as it's titled this, will give us quick access to certain tools. Within the software, the first is to create a new drawing. Second is to open an existing, then we have saved the current save as, then we have open from web and mobile, and then save to web and mobile. We can send it to print, we have our undo tool. And a little arrow here will show us a list of our undos so we can go back quite a bit. Obviously, at this current time, I've only got 2 commands which I've carried out. But as we draw a project, we'll have many different commands here which we can undo. We have a redo command, as well as the drop-down arrow for our redos. And then at the end, we have a little drop-down arrow. So you see all of these ticks here. These are what are currently displayed. So if we wanted to subtract any of those from the list, if I turn off new, you'll see it will disappear. And I'll turn it back on. So there is our new. What I'll do is I'll